Next we have chloroplast. Chloroplasts are generally found in plants, but can be found in other photosynthetic organisms as well. Photosynthetic organisms are organisms which are capable of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process of making sugar and oxygen as a byproduct from sunlight, water, and CO2. Chloroplasts contain chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a pigment which captures photons of light. Photons just means particle of light. And so this is the process down here. The ultimate goal of photosynthesis is to make something that the plant can eat. All living things need a food source. That food is sugar. The plant uses that sugar for many things. For example, it can use that sugar to make its cell wall. That particular type of sugar is called cellulose. Appropriate because OSE means carbohydrate usually, and obviously it makes the outer part of the cell. And here's the nucleus. So that sugar can be used to make the cell wall, which is this box part, or it can be digested by the plant as glucose. That can help to power the mitochondria, which can make ATP for the plant. It can also store its carbohydrates for later by making instead what is called starch. The chloroplast has parts. There is the outer part of the chloroplast and an inner part. So an outer membrane and an inner membrane. This is for the same reason that a mitochondria has two membranes. Just like the mitochondria, this chloroplast became part of the eukaryotic tool bag by symbiosis. Endosymbiosis simply means that the ancient organism was, the ancient chloroplast bacteria was eaten by our ancient ancestors. And then it had a benefit for the cell. It helped to make sugar from sunlight. In exchange, our cell started helping to assist in the production of the chloroplast, making important proteins for it. This created a partnership that eventually led to a reliance on one another in things like plants. And so now chloroplasts exist in a symbiotic partnership with plants. Just like mitochondria, they actually contain their own separate DNA from the plant. More evidence of this ancient endosymbiosis acquisition